Good afternoon, one and all. In the previous class, we have discussed about the best practices for the big data analytics and how the big data is evolved from 1960s to till now. So, in today's class, we can discuss about how the big data characters, what are the big data characteristics, and how we can validate the big data characteristics. Big data is often characterized by three V's known as volume, velocity, and variety. Additionally, other characteristics are increasingly recognized to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges and opportunities associated with the big data. Here are the key characteristics. First, the volume. The volume refers to the sheer size of the data generated or collected. It involves massive volumes of data, often exceeding the capacity of traditional database system. That includes the data from various sources such as social media, sensors, and the business applications. Velocity indicates the speed at which the data is transferred, processed, or generated and analyzed. It is generated at a high speed, especially in real-time application. For example, we can discuss about the social media updates, financial transaction, and the sensor data from the IoT contribute to the high velocity of the data. And the variety, it involves the types of formats of data, including structured, semi-structured, and the unstructured data. Big data comes in various forms such as text, images, videos, and more. These traditional databases are often not designed to handle this diversity, making it challenging to process and analyze. And one more is the veracity, refers to the quality and reliability of the data. It may include inaccuracies, inconsistencies, and error, ensuring that data quality is crucial for obtaining the meaningful insights and making the informed decisions. And variability describes the inconsistency of the data flow, which may be irregular or unpredictable. Data flow can vary over time, introducing challenges in managing and processing data. Handling this variability is important for maintaining the integrity of analysis, followed by the value, the potential insight and benefits that can be derived from analyzing big data. The ultimate goal of the big data initiative is to extract valuable insights that can drive informed decision making, innovation, and the business value. And volatility refers to the temporal nature of data, including how long data is relevant and useful. Some data losses relevances quickly, while other data may remain valuable over a more extended period. Understanding the volatility of data helps in determining storage and processing the requirements. And how will be doing the validity? Validity will be focuses on the accuracy and reliability of the data sources. And validity is crucial for ensuring that the data used in analysis is trustworthy. This involves verifying the authenticity of data sources and establishing the trust in the information. And visualization involves representing the data in a visual format to facilitate the easy understanding of the concepts. And also, given the complexity and the size of the big data, visualization helps us to use the comprehend patterns, trends, or more insights more easily. And how we can able to validate the big data? We can validate the big data ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and quality of the data before using for the decision making or analysis part. We can validate by data profiling, schema validation, data cleaning, cross validation, statistical validation, duplicate detection, temporal validation, metadata validation, data quality metrics. We can see data profiling. Data profiling involves examining the data to understand its structures, patterns, and quality, through which we can identify the anomalies, missing values, and outliers, providing insight into potential issues that may need to be addressed during validation. And schema validation ensures that the data adheres to the predefined schema or structure. Verifying that the data conforms to the expected schema helps maintain consistency and ensures that downstream processing and analysis can rely on the standardized format. And data cleaning remove or correct errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in the data. data cleaning is the most essential for improving the data quality and preventing the inaccurate insights that include imputation for missing values and outlier detection. And cross validation is purely depending on the dividing the data into multiple subsets and validate the model or analysis by different combination of these subsets. It will help the generalizability of models and risk taking overfitting for the analyzing part, and followed by the statistical data using the statistical technique to validate the distribution variance and other characteristics of the data that confirms the expected patterns, providing confidence in the reliability of the data set. And duplicate detection is useful to identify and remove the duplicate records from the dataset and as well as the subsets. It can lead to skewed analysis and inaccurate result. Eliminating duplicate helps in maintaining the data integrity and the data validity. And the temporal validation can check the temporal aspects of the data such as timestamps stamps to ensure chronological consistency. It will be very crucial for time series data and application where the order of the event is significant. And metadata validation is associated with the data, including the data source information, data provenance, and transformation details, ensuring that the accuracy of the metadata supports transparency and reproducibility is very essential for maintaining the data quality over a period of time. And data quality metrics is defined and measure key data quality metrics such as accuracy, completeness, consistency, and the timelines. For monitoring and reporting on the data quality metrics, provide a quantitative measure of the reliability of the data and help track improvement over a period of time. Thank you.